is Redstone, and welcome to part 2 of building Raindrops. In today's episode, I'm going to be joined by Danny is the Bomb and Tommy J. Grazzo. They're going to be helpers. And so what we're doing today is the clouds, 2 other clouds. So we're just going to go up here. You can see Tommy's coming. Alright, get the blocks. So we're going to start with diamonds because we need to space out. Need to space it out. Alright. So what we're going to do is I'm going to grab a diamond block and I'm going to put 2 down. And I build 17 down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17. And now we're going to get white wool. Don't want that. And we're going to build 2 from here. Then we're going to build 3. And that gives you a total of 6. And yeah, that's the start. So now we're going to do this. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then over up again 2, and then 3 again, and then lastly down 1. And just bring this down a bit. Alright, so now we're going to do this. I'm going to put 4 here. Then we're going to put 3 here. And then the last one is all going to be all the way down to the edge, which is here. And then down here we're going to put this. And wooden pressure plates go there. So now if you were to put your blocks of water, you're going to go straight to the edge, just like that. Now for the shape. So that's the basic part of the cloud, but now we're going to do the shape, which is like this. We're going to go here, and we're going to put 2 here. Okay, now I'm going to put this here, and then this gets added on. And then lastly, we just need to do this, and then we do that. Okay, now we're going to do another row. But here, we do this, and this goes down 4, 2, 2. And now, we do this, and then we do that, and now we fill this in to here, and that's the back of the cloud. And now we're just gonna bring this in. And also this gets filled in. So of course this is going to get filled in because that goes out. And then put ones that go in one, and then fill this in. And then here we're going to go up to here, and then just to add to the fluffiness, we're going to put another part that sticks out here, and then this is like that. And that's that cloud. That's that cloud finished. Alright. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to these pressure plates. Alright, so we're going to do 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 19. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So here we're going to put these 3 blocks. Okay, we're going to put blocks here, 3 wide. Then we're going to stick one out. Same on the side. And then we're going to surround this. Now we can get rid of this. Sorry. That's just to help. Thank you for that. Now we're going to... They're going to mirror the exact same side, exact same things as me. So all these clouds are symmetrical. So we're going to put one block there, we're going to put one here, and then we're going to connect. So now we're going to do this, and now we're going to fill this in. So you should have an edge like this. And then this is like a little circle. I'm going to get a sign, and this should be easy enough. We're just going to type in 1, 9. That's all it is. And now we're going to bring this up. Alright, so now over here, as you see, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, like usual, and then build like this, then do another layer that goes in, then another layer. These all should be 5. So 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 5. And then this goes up to there, and then 3. So that's what you should have. Now we're going to add, we're going to do this. We're going to do and we're going to basically make that circle shape again, like this. And now we're going to go out 2. Alright, so, and we're going to go up 2, up 1 I mean, and then out 2 again, and then this comes in 1 again, so so it matches up with that circle over there. And then 2. And now we're just going to put a little block there. And we're going to connect this up. And then we're going to do the 3 wide, and then this goes this joins in. And then this gets dragged over. Right. Then this gets like a little, it goes around it. And then now we're just going to drag this in so it just touches corners. And then we're going to fill this in. Same thing for this side, so it goes out so it touches corners, and then on top here is a 3x3 square. Okay, up here, this is a bit tricky. It's going to go in 1, and then this goes in 1 again. Then you're going to bring this block in, and now we're going to cover this up, and then put those blocks there. And now there are torches on those blocks. Now we're almost done. Nearly done already. Alright, so down here, we're going to go in 1, and then yeah, like this, and then this goes in like that. Then we're going to bring this out 3, and then 3 again, so it creates that little circle shape. And now fill this in because this is all flat down here. And then it copies the same shape. And then now we're going to do this and then connect this up. And almost done over here. So now on the top here, we get weird. So now we're going to put a 3x2 rectangle here, and then cover this in. These need to be torches that face up. Sorry about that. And we're going to bring this in. See what we're getting here. And now fill this connected like this and fill it in. And now we're just going to add a little plus sign. And one thing last, a torch, yeah. And that should be it. Yes. That is your clouds done. Thank you for watching. And I guess I will see you in the next video. Bye.